To screen record on your Samsung Galaxy S26, all you need to do is simply swipe down for the quick settings menu and then swipe down again to view the different shortcuts. From here, look for screen recorder and tap on it. And now you can choose what you want to record as well as audio and any other customizations you want. Now you can choose to record a full screen or a partial screen. You can choose whether you want to record with audio, with specified audio, or without. And then you can choose to also enable the taps and touches. Once you've finished customizing, just tap on start recording. A countdown will appear on your screen and the screen recording will commence. So whatever you're doing is currently being recorded in your screen recorder. You have this toolbar at the top that you can use whenever you're screen recording. So you can choose to have a selfie camera appear here. And then when you tap on it again, it disappears. You can choose to draw on your screen, or you can just choose to tap on it again to remove the drawings. You can choose to pause and then resume. And then when you're ready to stop recording, just tap on stop and the screen recording will be saved onto your gallery app. So you can go to gallery and then you can go to you can go to collections, and then under collections, you should be able to see your screen recordings. If you don't, you can just go find it easily in pictures as one of the latest screen recordings. And so here you have it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.